Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Have you ever been pumped to do a DIY project at home only to realize that you are out of sandpaper or you don't have the appropriate grit? No longer. POLIWELL has this amazing pack of 50 sheets of 5 different grits, so you have tons that will cover any project that you need. They range in grit from 80 to 320, so whether you need really fine sandpaper or a really coarse one, you definitely have it. This stuff is super durable, so this can be used for wet or dry sanding. This is the 4th of a sheet, and so it fits perfectly on my sander. It is just long enough that it clips in really easily, but not so long where I need to cut it or that there's a bunch of extra hanging out. I also really appreciate that it has it in a resealable bag so that I can keep all of the extra ones that I'm not using all together, safe, secure, and easily able to be stored on my shelf. So whenever I do need it, it is super handy and I know exactly where it is. So no matter what sanding projects you're working on, this set is super nice to have on hand so that it is readily available whenever you need it. And that is my point of view.